Welcome students to my class Accountancy Simplified. In today's class, we shall continue discussion on ledger. In the earlier classes, I have discussed at length as to the definition of ledger, its maintenance, what is casting, what is posting, and what is balancing. In today's class, I shall discuss the concept what is balance, what is debit balance, and what is credit balance. Here in this board, I have written the definition of balance, the difference between the two sides of an account in terms of value is called balance. What is balance? Difference between two sides of an account in terms of value is called balance. Now, what is debit balance? If the debit side is higher than its credit side, it is called debit balance, and if it is otherwise, that is, if credit side is higher than its debit side, it is called credit balance. So, what is debit balance? If the debit side of an account is higher than its credit side, in terms of value, we call it debit balance. And what is credit balance? If the credit side of an account is higher than its debit in terms of value, we call it credit balance. So I again repeat the definition of balance, which is very important. Difference between two sides of an account is in terms of value is called balance. One is debit balance and other one is credit balance. Now we shall show in the board the application of debit balance and credit balance. Example of now this is cash account. Now we will have to determine the balance of this cash account. First of all, we'll have to see which side is higher than the other side. In this account, cash account will always represent either debit balance or zero balance, because you cannot incur more than what you have got in your pocket. So in under every circumstances, cash account will always represent debit balance. So we can safely cast the debit side of cash account. The total amount comes to 15,500. Now we shall put this 15,500 to the other side of the account. to bring out the difference, that is the balance. The total of this credit side is 4,500, so the difference is 11,000. This is balance. If, as in this cash account, debit side is higher than credit side, this is represents debit balance. So this is an example of what is debit balance. Now we shall show the example of credit balance. This is RAM account. RAM account is, you all know, this is personal account. Personal account may have either debit balance or credit balance. If the credit side is higher, then it represents credit balance, and if debit side is higher, it represents debit balance. Now here we see that credit side in this account is higher than debit, as it evident from the transactions recorded in this ledger. So we should first cast the credit side. It comes to 15,000. We shall put this 15,000 to the other side and the debit side to bring out the difference between the two sides, that is the balance. The total of debit side is 3,500, so difference is 11,500. That is the difference between the two sides, which is called balance. As the credit side is higher than debit, it represents credit balance. So we have shown the example of one debit balance and one credit balance. Now I shall repeat the lecture we have just given to you in terms of the definition of balance, debit balance and credit balance. Balance, what is balance? Balance is the difference between two sides of a ledger account in terms of its value. And what is debit balance? If the debit side of an account is higher than its credit side, it represents debit balance. And if it is otherwise, that is, if credit side is higher than its debit side, it represents credit balance, which is evident from the RAM account, which represents credit balance. As the credit side is higher than its debit by 11,500, we do write the difference in the opposite side to bring out the difference, but this is credit balance, as the credit side is higher than debit. So this is all for today, and I am closing the class on ledger account here today, and we shall discuss the classification of journal in the next class. Till then, goodbye. And if you like my lecture and the video, you must not forget to click the subscribe channel and share it among your friends for better circulation of my lecture. Thank you.